Oh yeah, welcome back to the channel. Oops. Watch it don't fall over. You might be wondering what we're doing on some disused railway land. Well, we're looking for brambles or blackberries, which is the real name. Because we're going to make some blackberry vodka. And this is where they live. Brenda's already having a go, trying to find some. Yeah, because we're in a different place to where we normally go. We'll find them. Don't you worry, we'll find them. I'm off through the bushes. Oh, not going that way. No, it's too dangerous. I love this bit of wild land. There's always some beautiful wildflowers growing. We took some home once, which we probably shouldn't have done. We've learned our lesson now as well. It's not good for the environment. It's certainly not good for the house because they are full of bugs. Now here's the favourite bush. There's some. Look. Got some in here. Where are they? There they are. Right, let's start picking. Now you want to pick the black ones, not the red ones, because they're quite tarty, which sometimes that's nice, but not for the vodka. As you can see, sometimes we have to reach right in for them to get the nice ripe ones that come off nice and easy. If they're a bit too hard to come off, then they're not really ripe. Now, this is what they should be looking like. Don't know whether, can I get in closer? You see them? Lovely, but please check that you're picking the right ones. I've been picking these ones for years, so I know what they are and I know which bush they come from, but you really should check it. Don't take my word for it. And they do want a good wash as well, because sometimes you get little worms in. Ow, and they're very prickly as well. And you probably shouldn't wear your favourite top, which has got blue paint on it from the other day when I was photographing some kids at a festival. Very prickly. Can you see them right in here? So this one's still got some bits of red in, but that'll probably be alright. Yeah, there's not as many as there normally is this time of the year. We've got some, but I'm going to need more than that. But it's still just, it's lovely to get out in the, I'd like to say sunshine, but nah, not so much. Look, it's all a bit hartlepool, isn't it? A bit grey. But we are among all these lovely wildflowers. Well, they look wild. In fact, they look ferocious. It's really nice. Tell me if you can see any blackberries behind me. Because not only my ever-given tree, or bush as it is, it's not doing so well this year. There's loads of berries over there, but I'm not sure what they are. I think they're called rose hips. I'm sure you can make wine with them. This bit of land here looks like, I don't know, maybe somebody who lived here was trying to make it into a garden, encroaching on the land. No blackberries here. Let's continue the hunt. Found any?
Just a few.
We need a new bush. We need to go and rummage in a new bush.
I think we might have to go over that one.
As you can see, Brenda's got gloves on. Are you sure this is a blackberry bush? Yeah, there's some over there. And some little birds in among them. Don't scare the birds. What have we found? What have we found?
Some pretty little flowers.
There's some. careful, see all the birds come out. This is where the birds live. I have no idea what these little berries are, so I'm not going to eat them. Well, we've managed to get 2 tubs full of blackberries. Nice and juicy. So we're going to get these home, give them a good wash, get all the worms out, and nice and clean. Get them in the vodka, get the sugar in. Bob's your uncle. Well, it will be in a couple of months. Right, we've been out and picked the blackberries, and here they are. We only managed to get about 800 grams or so. So that'll still be enough for 2 little pots. And we're also going to make some rhubarb gin, which is very nice. This come from Mandy's garden, so there's not a lot of there either, but we'll just leave it in longer and that'll be alright. So, first of all, we've already washed these, by the way. We've got all the little wiggly worms out, so it's all nice and clean, so we just need to get them in the jars. You can see the juice is already coming out. It's very, very messy. Oh God, it's all over. Right, sugar. Definitely needs sweetening up a little bit. I've got about 200 grams of sugar. Let's see how it goes, see what it looks like. Yeah, I would say that was easy enough. Maybe it's too much, but we'll see. We always buy these, well, last time I bought this big giant bag, and that's lasted us ages. So, let's get another 200 grams. Might as well make them both the same, it'll be very sweet. There you go, so about 400 grams of the berries, 200 grams of the sugar. I'm going to give it a good mix up. Sort of macerate it a little bit. That'll make the juices flow a bit better. Oh, it smells delicious. I did have a few more berries, but I put them on my porridge this morning. Well, Brenda put them on my porridge this morning. But she's good like that. So we've got a nice sort of gooey, claggy mixture. That's about right. And don't forget to sterilise your equipment. You don't want to poison everybody, do you? Nah, not recommended. So, vodka. Tesco's finest vodka. Cheapest one we could get. Doesn't really matter. You could use the cheapest, you could use the Stolly. I think it's just going to taste the same in the end. Yeah, we'll save that for later. Right, give it a jolly good stir with your sterilised spoon. Now it's the last day of summer today, so August the 31st. Is it 31 days in August?
Yep.
So this will be ready for Christmas. It'll actually be ready before Christmas, but the longer you leave it, the more syrupy it gets. If it's a little bit too sweet, you can always pop some lemonade in, or you could have it with soda water maybe, so I just like drinking it on its own. A little taste, shall we? I mean, it's only 4:45 in the afternoon, but yeah, sweet vodka. Doesn't really taste the blackberries yet, but it will. You'll be surprised. Let's get these sealed up. Nice tight fitting. sure it's all sealed. Yeah, that's nice. So we're going to put them in the pantry. Don't know why I said pantry, we don't have a pantry. Right, we're going to put these in a cupboard, and I'm going to stir them every couple of days just to make sure it's all mixed in with the delicious flavours, and we'll look forward to the end of September or October or November or December when it'll be even better. Right, let's do the rhubarb one. Very similar thing. So we don't have much rhubarb. Let's see what we've got. It's only about 150 grams. Not much at all really, but you'd be surprised how much flavour comes out of this. So we normally chop it down to about an inch, 2 centimetres maybe, something like that. Make sure you've washed your hands as well. Put that down there. So I'm just going to guess with the sugar on this one. No point in measuring it. I've still got a bit left in here. Let's have a look. Because gin's really bitter, isn't it, anyway? So. And the same thing, really. So the cheapest gin you can find, which in our case was London Dry Gin from Tesco, which cost around, about £14. I might as well put it all in. Now the rhubarb doesn't take as long as the blackberries to flavour it. It's normally ready in about 4 weeks, but with there not being much rhubarb, we'll probably give it longer, maybe 6 to 8 weeks. So give it a good stir. And don't forget to shake it or stir it every day. So the same thing. Yep. Let's be careful out there. So there we go. This is the Blackberry vodka from last year. Oh, and it smells delicious. I'm just going to pour a little bit in here so you can see what it's like. See? I know I made it, but that just tastes of Christmas. So that's the Blackberry vodka and the rhubarb gin, all ready for Christmas. Et voila! So if you've enjoyed this little tutorial, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe as well, that would be right dandy. So thanks a lot. Cheers.